Namaste. Let's begin our practice for today. Moving into a one-legged seated forward bend variation. Extend your right leg forward, flexing through your right heel. Place your hands to your left thigh for support. Inhale, lengthen your spine. Exhale, fold forward out over your legs, keeping your core engaged and your spine long, folding forward from your hip creases. Stay connected to your breath as you lift your torso to upright and release, repeating on the opposite side. Extend your left leg forward, flexing through your left heel. Place your hands to your right thigh for support. Inhale, lengthen your spine. Exhale, fold forward out over your legs, folding forward from your hip creases, feeling your mind calm, stretching through your back body. Release and return to center, moving into a gentle hip opener. Cross your right leg over your left. With your hands to your thighs, inhale, lengthen your spine. Exhale, fold forward from your hip creases, feeling a gentle stretch through your right outer hip and low back. Lift your torso to upright and release, repeating on the opposite side. Cross your left leg over your right. With your hands to your thighs, inhale, lengthen your spine. Exhale, fold forward out over your legs, folding forward from your hip creases, feeling a gentle stretch through your low back and left outer hip. Release and return to center, moving into a cat-cow stretch variation. With your hands to your thighs, inhale, lift through your heart. Exhale, round your spine, drawing your chin towards your chest. Continue flowing with this movement. With each inhale, lift through your heart, tilting your pelvis forward lightly, drawing your shoulder blades down your back, and with each exhale, round your spine, lengthening your tailbone under slightly, coiling your navel back, drawing your chin towards your chest. Pausing at center with your hands to your thighs, moving into a seated twist variation. Begin to gently rotate from right to left, moving from your waist rather than your hips, arms, or shoulders, allowing this twisting action to re-energize and nourish your spine. Release and return to center, closing our practice for today, placing your hands in prayer position, allowing a moment to honor yourself. Namaste.
Now that was good.